The Elevon mesh steel folding utility wagon is a serious workhorse for anyone who needs to haul stuff around. This thing boasts a 400-pound capacity, meaning you can load it up with just about anything. I was impressed with the sturdy, all-metal construction. The fully welded frame and iron mesh bed feel incredibly durable, like this wagon is built to last. And speaking of lasting, the body is anti-rust, so you don't have to worry about it deteriorating in the elements. One of the standout features for me is the included liner. It's perfect for carrying loose materials like dirt, mulch, or even sand without worrying about it spilling everywhere. The 10-inch pneumatic tires are another big plus. They handle various terrains with ease and provide a surprisingly quiet ride. You'll appreciate this when you're hauling a heavy load across a bumpy yard. The front wheels swivel, making maneuvering around corners and obstacles a breeze. The 180-degree rotating handle is another thoughtful design element, allowing you to pull the wagon comfortably from any angle. Need to haul something oversized? No problem. The removable sides transform this wagon into a flatbed, giving you the flexibility to carry larger items. The 34x18-inch bed provides ample space for most hauling tasks. Overall, the Elevon folding wagon is a versatile and robust utility wagon that's well worth the investment. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, and built to withstand heavy use. Whether you're gardening, camping, or just need a reliable way to move things around, this wagon is a great choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.